host the first annual, well, my first skating party to mark the new year of 2024. Yes, we're gathered here at the iconic Nathan Phillips Square Ice Rink, which is marking its 60th anniversary later this year.
While your skating bombs are dropping!
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 Well, this is what you're seeing is democracy in action, and it's interesting.
Ceasefire now! Free, free Palestine!
Free, free Palestine!
Free, free Palestine!
Free, free Palestine!
I just wanted back to talking about my life here at the Nathan Phillips Square.
He didn't sell his soul to Zionism.
This is where I learned how to skate.
We're conflicting peaceful protests.
How, well, I don't think I'm going to be able to
Protesting, we want to make this.
Free Palestine!
Free, free Palestine!
Free, free Palestine!
Zionism is Islamophobic.
Yeah.
Zionism is
Anyway,
allowing 30,000
I can also tell.
to be killed without even a condemnation by our politicians. Why can't they condemn? Shame.
You know what?
Shame.
Let me just talk to them. Yeah, we're gonna. Hey, sir. You know what? I have put out a statement calling for a ceasefire. At least you saw that.
You condemn Hamas? You condemn Hamas?
So
Great.
anyway,
you condemn the
you have
innocent
so I'm trying to have a dialogue, and it's on both sides. Okay, I think we are.
We are peaceful
I can
protesting all over
feel
Toronto,
and
and then you want to link that maybe.